YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. And for this episode, I am beyond excited to bring you guys my review of one of my favorite sneakers that I bought so far, as in so far. This is the New Balance 990 V4. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away 4 champion caps courtesy of our sponsor Shoe Freak PH, as well as a Rastaclat off-white bracelet. Subscribe now, follow me on Instagram, hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. The New Balance 990 is as old as me. This actually came out in the market 1982. That was the year I was born. So this has been in the market for over 36 years as of this vlog. And if any product can survive that long and still be relevant and can still be considered one of the very best, they did something right. And yes, folks, they did something right with this particular pair. When this sneaker came out, New Balance said that they wanted to combine 3 things: stability, flexibility, and cushioning. And those 3 things they were able to do very well back then with the technology they had available. Fast forward to today, that is still what they were able to do, but with the latest technology that they have available at this time. But I'll get to that in a bit. This sneaker was also one of the very first sneakers to pack a price tag of over $100. And it actually became like a status symbol to be able to wear a sneaker like this back then in the 1980s. In fact, it actually blew away New Balance's forecast. They thought that they would sell like 5,000 pairs. They ended up selling 10 times more their forecast, which is just a testament to how good the sneaker was when it came out 36 years ago. 99X series was so comfortable that Apple CEO Steve Jobs actually made it his signature sneaker. You would actually see him wear it often every time he would go on stage. His usual outfit, of course, would be that black turtleneck sweater. He'd wear like jeans, and then he would wear a New Balance 99X series sneaker. And what makes this particular pair special is that just like in 1982, this sneaker till today is still made in the USA, and it's even proudly emblazoned on different parts of the sneaker. This wasn't made in China. This wasn't made in Vietnam. This wasn't made in the Philippines or Indonesia. This pair was built, designed, and made in the USA. As the name implies, this is the 4th iteration. This is V4. So what changed since then? What changed since the first time this came out? Initially, when this sneaker came out in the 1980s, it had like a triple density EVA foam for the midsole. They now changed that for their latest technology with New Balance, which is their end cap midsole. Incredibly comfortable, incredibly excellent cushioning, and I love how this is able to guide your foot if you are running or if you are walking forward. They also added the dual density foam collar, which again helps with the overall comfort of the sneaker, as well as putting in their most breathable upper yet. And you can see that with how this mesh material over here is scattered throughout the sneaker, interspersed by that pig leather or pig skin suede that they have surrounding the sneaker, which gives it a much more luxe and elegant profile. And that material, of course, reflects the philosophy, the design philosophy, and the goal for quality for this sneaker. As I mentioned earlier, it is still made in the USA. You can even see it in the tongue tab. It says they're made in the USA, and you can also see it here at the back, which says made in the USA. There are also like metallic elements to it, the tab here at the tongue tab, as well as the New Balance logo here at the back. And apart from that, you see this N over here, the New Balance logo. This is made from 3M, so it is reflective if you hit it with light. And also this particular part at the edge of the sneaker. When it comes to style, I just love this sneaker. It is subtle, it is elegant, it is luxe, it is ridiculously comfortable. And I just love how they were able to put this subtle 990 with wings along the side. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you have it. You can see it ever so slightly there, 990. I just love how they were able to put the design for the 990 V4s. I mean, it just looks so amazing. So how is it on feet? The Ultra Boost, if you ask me, is too much of a good thing. It's too much cushioning. So it becomes a little bit mushy over time, and that can actually lead to foot fatigue because it is too comfortable. It is too like marshmallowy or cloudy. The great thing about this sneaker is that it's able to put check marks on the right amounts of stability, the right amount of firmness, and the right amount of cushioning to be able to deliver one of the best on-feet feeling that you guys can ever hope to get on a sneaker. I'll say this right now, and this is probably a very strong statement. And again, this is not paid. I bought this. This was not sponsored by New Balance. So actually, most of the sneakers that I have in my collection, I paid for. They're not given. They're not sponsored. So yeah. So you can take away the bias from the equation. This, for me, is better than the Adidas Ultra Boost. And I say that after a lot of thought, as somebody who owns a lot of Ultra Boosts. So it takes a lot to be able to convince me that something is better than my favorite sneaker, right? Why do I love this? Because you can wear this the entire day and not have foot fatigue. Because they found the right balance of firmness and cushioning and stability, which is perfect for people like me, I guess, with wide and flat feet. I don't know. With the Ultra Boost, I still get foot fatigue after like wearing it for several hours straight and walking on them. This one, it's just all-day comfort. It's just ridiculously amazingly good. It's a product that works. I mean, it's just perfect for me. I mean, I really am a loss for words for how good this sneaker is. And the great thing about it is that it's not overpriced. I actually got this for a little over 8,000 pesos over at the New Balance store in Glorieta. But if you want a pair, the problem is it's actually not that available anymore. It's actually hard to find. So, but you can actually cop a pair over at StockX. There are different color variations. They sell anywhere from $100 to $150. So with shipping, that leads you to a little less than 10,000, approximately the SRP mark here in the Philippines. So having said that, I highly and strongly recommend the New Balance 990 V4s. If I had like an award show in terms of comfort, or if I had like a Carlo Ople sneaker seal, I'd proudly give this one of those, because this is really one of my favorite cops for the year. I mean, it would take a lot to impress Steve Jobs, so I kind of get it. I kind of understand. It just works. It just, you put it on, it doesn't give you any stress, it doesn't, you know, it's not complicated, it's not complex. You just put your feet in, you're comfortable, you're stable, no fatigue, all-day comfort, it just works. Quick message to guys over at New Balance Philippines, you guys should sell more of this. I mean, get all the colorways that are available, sell them in the Philippines, and I would be more than happy to recommend them to my friends, because this pair is just really, really good. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. We are still in the middle of our giveaway. We're giving away the champion caps as well as the Rastaclat off-white bracelet that we have here. To be able to join, you guys have to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, like this video, and then go down below, hit the link so you can see the rest of the mechanics. And before I end, I just want to give a quick shout out to DJ Big Boy Cheng. I actually bought this way back. This is the Secret Fresh. I think it's like the Toki Doki hoodie. So I actually just got around to wearing it for the first time now. And man, it's really comfortable. I like the quality. I like how it feels. So if you guys want a hoodie like this one, just check it out over at Secret Fresh at Ronak Art Gallery. They're really good. I mean, it really feels premium. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. Follow me on IG. Subscribe to the channel. Like this post, because I have a ton more of content heading your way. I have like a trade video coming up. I mean, like trading different sneakers and a guide for trading. I have like a lot of unboxings. We have like off-white sneakers to be unboxed, a lot of hype and non-hype and practical sneakers that I will be unboxing on this channel. And I'd love for you guys to be able to watch them when they come out. So yeah, peace, God bless. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. What's up?